Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys this beautiful bag that I got from Teddy Blake. Guys, this is the last bag that I'm going to share with you of 2023, and I wanted to make sure that it was a banger. So this girl right here is definitely that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Subscribe to the LaShaun channel. Join the family. Don't forget to thumbs up the video so that YouTube circulates my videos to you guys and you get every single upload that I do. Without further ado, let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, so I don't know if you guys know this or not, but most of you already know that I have another channel. And over that channel is way more established than this one. And so my friends at Teddy Blake, they sponsored this video on my other channel for this. They sponsored this bag to me to do a video for them on my other channel. I thought this was a while ago, and I've had her sitting in her box for so long, and today I'm going to a little house party, and I'm like, you know what, let me get cute and let me make my bag cute. I'm going to be wearing Tiffany green, so I decided to pair Tiffany green with this bag. But let me give you some particulars about this bag. Here is the name of this bag on the screen. This is her. She comes in different colors. The price is on the screen, although I'm not trying to sell you a bag. And Teddy Blake has the most beautiful bags. It's crazy. So look at this gold hardware and the gold Teddy Blake emblem on there. Also, this is the back of the bag. Nice and simple, but very elegant, very chic. And then here's the bottom. She doesn't have feet, which I love feet on a bag. She doesn't have them, but that's fine. This is such a beautiful carry. So I'm going to open her right there for you guys. And then this is what she looks like on the inside. And here is her tag. Her Teddy Blake tag still hanging there because, like I said, I haven't used her. Beautiful red on the inside, zip pocket right here, and she's a really deep bag, guys. So she does come with a shoulder strap because she can be worn as a shoulder strap bag. And how you would put the shoulder straps on is on the inside. She has these little thingies on the inside of her to put the shoulder straps. So that is how you would add her shoulder straps to her with her. So let me share with you guys everything that's going to go inside of this bag. All right, guys, so this is a really classy bag, and so I felt like I needed something really classy on her. This is a scarf that I got from Tiffany Co, and this is I think I got this maybe 2 or 3 years ago on a trip I went to in Denver, Colorado. Okay, and so yeah, I wanted her to continue to look classy and elegant, and so I stayed with that. This is everything that I have in the bag, okay? This is everything that I've put in her. This is how she looks standing up. So I am going to share with you guys what's all inside of her. So the first thing I want to pull out, I actually have this really pretty Too Faced makeup bag. I saw Miss Toya with this bag a while ago, and so I just had to have this Too Faced makeup bag, and I thought this was really pretty. In here I have one of my favorite lipsticks by Milani. I also have a YSL lipstick in here. I have a Dior blush. I also have my YSL makeup compact mirror. It's just a mirror. I also have one of my favorite lip glosses by LA Colors. This also is a NYX blush that I love so much. And then I have 2 clear lip glosses in there as well. Please excuse me, guys. I am a little bit under the weather, and so I'm not feeling very well. right, guys, so also I picked up this cute little this is a phone wallet that I picked up from the Coach boutique. Okay, and I'm recording with my phone, but my phone goes in there. This zipper part just has like some important insurance papers in there. This is the tag for it, and this is in the color faded blue. I knew I was trying to figure out the color for it, but it's the color faded blue. And I just have my important cards in here as well. And so I got it from directly from the Coach boutique, and I forgot how much I paid for it, but it really is close to the Tiffany blue color, so that's why I got it. Then also I have down in here, this is the same color, the faded blue and silver. Even though I know I have gold hardware, I still wanted to pair this with it. This is kind of like a catch-all. This is a wristlet. It has the beautiful little Coach tag on it, but also it has a silver C, and I don't care about that. But I've been using, it has a wristlet strap that I detached from it, and I've been using this kind of as a catch-all. Here is a lip balm by Estee Lauder. It's my favorite. This is a Chanel lotion that I have. Some nail glue because I have on press-ons. This is eye drops. I keep eye drops with me. Here is some antibacterial ointment that I always keep. I have some hand sanitizers in here. Also, I have my bathroom purse spray in here. I also have, this is the KLE Vanilla 28, and I love, love, love this. I got this. This was one of my Christmas presents to myself. Also, I have my fingernail file in there. And again, I have some bobby pins for my hair and some more hand sanitizer stuff in there. I'm dropping stuff. So yeah, that's what all I have in there. Don't want to mess that up. Okay, so that's that. Something else. So also, you guys, I picked up these really beautiful Anne Klein. These remind me of the Nolita 19s from Coach. I picked this up. Angel Lee actually picked these up for me at TJ Maxx. I love, love, love these. They are so, so gorgeous, and they come so in handy because a lot of times I just grab her and go. Yep, a lot of times I just grab her and go. But inside of here, I just have a few things, guys. I have, this is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy lotion. I have my car registration in here because I just renewed my sticker. I have a Victoria's Secret card. I don't know how that got in there. Also, I cannot go anywhere without my Starbucks cards, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but my daughter is mentally ill and special needs, and she loves little stuff. So this was her Christmas present to me. This is like a little barbecue grill. She has a fascination with little things, and my daughter is 20 years old. This is like a little dinner that she gave me, and this is like TGI Fridays, a little thingy. So I have a whole bunch of them in there, and they were actually my Christmas presents from her. So I just keep them in there because that's where she put them. So that's where I left it, and I think I got some cash in there as well. So yeah, I got my little Nolita thingy right there. And then what else do I have in here? I picked this up from Amazon. I got this bag from Amazon. It also has a big wristlet strap on it. This is my bathroom pouch. I'm not going to go through it, with all of my feminine care stuff in there. Feminine wipes, pads, tampons. My bathroom spray is supposed to go in here. I have a couple masks in there, but you can use this for anything because as you can see, it has a place for a card, for your credit card or your ID. But I just love this, and it matches better than the Coach because this is the authentic Tiffany. So it matches better than the Coach, but you know, I thought I'd throw this in here as well. And then another thing I have in here, I have my insurance cards in this little, this came from Five Below. So I keep this with my insurance cards and stuff like that in there. And then I have this little pouch that I got from the beauty supply store. And as you can see, it turns different gold and stuff. And because I'm under the weather, guys, I actually have in here my throat lozenges. I have some gum in here and some cough drops. So that's what's in here. I think I have some, I'm sure I have some Tylenol that's just down in there as well in this little cute little pouch. And then I have a hand sanitizer in there. And last but not least, I have, this is the old Tiffany eyeglass case. And as you see, it's kind of bulky. And this, my ex-boyfriend bought me some Tiffany glasses, and I put my prescription in them. But these today have my regular glasses in them. And so I put them, thought it would be nice to put them in the box because I'm not going to do the Tiffany shades today. So yeah, I put these in there. And that's it. That's everything that's in my little bag, my Teddy Blake bag. And I don't know if I told you guys, but you can adjust how tight it goes. You can close it as tight as you want it to be. So let me put this together for you and I'll be right back. Well, all right, guys, that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is everything that I have in my Teddy Blake bag. This is everything that I'm going to be carrying. And today, this is just for today and tomorrow for New Year's Day. So this is going to be my carry. This is the last bag of 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a wonderful year with you guys, and I look forward to 2024 bringing you so many bags. Okay, later, guys.